Turner and Hooch is getting the reboot treatment 32 years later. HL spoke exclusively with Josh Peck and Reginald VelJohnson about a possible Tom Hanks guest spot in the future. Josh Peck is following in Tom Hanks' footsteps in Disney Plus's Turner and Hooch Reboot. Josh stars as Det. Scott Turner Jr., the son of Tom's character. HollywoodLife spoke exclusively with Josh at the show's Los Angeles premiere about an appearance from Tom on the show. "It would be an honor to have him," Josh told HollywoodLife. "Nothing would make me happier. I just would want him to know that I exist, really." The reboot does feature the return of Reginald VelJohnson's David Sutton, who starred in the 1989 film. Josh raved about being able to work with such a storied actor like Reginald. Josh gushed that Reginald is a legend in every respect. He noted that he's inspired by Reginald's continued ambition after decades in the business. "What is inspiring to me is he's in his late 60s and he could easily be chilling because he has accomplished so much, but he loves to work. That is exciting to me. I hope I am the same way." Related gallery. Tom Hanks then and now, photos. Like Josh, Reginald would love to have Tom appear in some way on the Disney Plus reboot. "Come back to Hooch, Tom," Reginald told HollywoodLife. "Do 1 or 2 scenes with us, I think it would make it really special." If Tom doesn't appear on the show, the legacy of Scott Turner will not be forgotten. His memory is there and we remember him every day. His picture is on the mantelpiece in the house. Please come back, Tom, and do it with us. Reginald also admitted that he didn't hesitate to sign on to the sequel series. "When I heard that they were going to do a series, I had to be a part of it because working with the dogs was such a great and unique experience in the beginning. I knew that this would be special," he said. Turner and Hooch also stars Lindsay Fonseca, Cara Patterson, and Vanessa Lenges. The series premiered July 21st. New episodes will be released Wednesdays on Disney Plus.